Okay, so today what we're going to look at is the chain rule from calculus. The chain rule. Okay, so how does the chain rule work? Basically applies when we have one function inside another. So a statement of the chain rule says if we let y equal to f, and inside of f we have this function g of x, okay? And if we also let this variable u equal the inside function, which in this case is g of x, okay, then what we can say is two things. The two things we can say is that, first of all, y can now be expressed as a function of the variable u, okay, and we can also say that the derivative of y with respect to the derivative of x, dy dx, again, sorry, y dx is equal to, so the dy, the derivative of y with respect to u, multiplied by the derivative of u with respect to x. Okay, so that's a basic statement of the chain rule theorem. So we'll just do an example, quick example, and then we'll know how to do the chain rule. Yay! Right, okay, great. So if so, we'll just let y equal to 4 times the cosine of x cubed. Now the inside function is x cubed. The outside function is cosine. Okay. So to figure out the derivative of this with respect to x, basically, we want to know what is dy dx. Okay, what is that? Okay, so if we let, okay, x cubed, the inside function, we'll let that equal to the variable u. So u is equal to x cubed. So given x cubed, yeah, we want to know what du dx is in the chain rule. I usually think it's handy to compute du dx straight away. So du, okay, dx will be equal to 3x squared, okay? And what else do we want to know? Well, the function y can now be expressed as a function of u. So this will be 4 times the cosine of u, okay? And we can compute dy du. We might as well do that straight away. So dy du would be equal to, so it would be the derivative of cosine, okay, is minus sine. So here we will get minus 4 times the sine of u. Okay, so then we have all our components of the chain rule. So we can get dy dx. What does that equal? So dy dx would be equal to dy du, which is minus 4 times the sine of u. And it's all multiplied by du dx, which we've computed as 3x squared. Okay, and then we just re-express slightly and fill in what u was. So we can get minus 12 times, the x squared first, 12 times x squared by the sine. And what was u? U was x cubed, so that goes back in. Okay, so this is our answer. So as a practice question for you guys, okay, so question, let y equal, let's say it's 2 times the sine of, let's say x to the 4, yeah, x to the 4, okay? So then you guys can compute, as a practice example, what is dy dx? What is dy dx? The idea, yeah, dy dx. So that's a practice question for you guys. Best of luck with the chain rule. Thank you.